Today we're going to learn 3 yoga poses. Bring your hands up to heart position. Breathing in and out. Make sure your back is nice and straight. Focusing on your breathing. You can have your hands by your side on your knees or at heart position. The first yoga stretch we're going to do is upward facing dog. Start in push-up position. Look up. Arch your back. Tuck your toes under. If you need to drop your knees down, you can drop your knees down if that makes it easier. If it's hurting too much in your lower back, bend your elbows. This is upward facing dog. During all of these yoga poses, make sure you are breathing in and out, focusing and stretching, getting deeper and deeper. The second yoga move is downward facing dog. Start in push-up position or plank. Look at your toes. Bring your feet to the ground with your head in between your arms. Your legs are straight and your arms are straight. Breathing in and out. This is downward facing dog. Breath is essential to life. Third yoga pose is child's pose. Start in plank position, drop to your knees, tuck your feet, and sit on your feet with your hands in front of you. If you want, you could put your hands wrapped around your feet and your forehead on the ground. This is child's pose. If you want more of a shoulder stretch, put your hands in front of you with your fingers extending. This is child's pose. Downward dog, upward dog, downward dog, and child's pose. Now you know 3 yoga poses. Use these exercises to help with your recovery. Take your yoga skills to the next level and try these 3 yoga poses on your own. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like these yoga stretches.